Gast Road in Hampshire. For the past couple of years, this has been a unpaved little road I would take. Yep, looks like it still is, but it's a little different than it was. I'll stick to some of the paved parts. New subdivision going in. Little road to nowhere. So that little power station down there off in the distance is where the road, the unpaved road, went to, that I used to like to ride. So who are these people that are moving to Illinois? Why does Illinois need more houses? I liked it better when it was just an abandoned road. Or abandoned path, I should say. Oh well. So that is Gast Road next to Hampshire High School in Hampshire, Illinois, with a lot of salt by it. Get out of the salt.